Hi, welcome back to Draw and Design. In this video I am going to design 3D models of Sphericons, a strange solid with a fixed center of mass. Stay tuned and watch full video, but don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit notification bell icon. Sphericons are strange rollers. While rolling on a flat surface, bring all the points of their surface in contact with the surface they are rolling on. Path of rolling of these objects is somehow similar to meandering motion. In this video, I am going to make sphericons using trigon, tetragon, pentagon and hexagon shapes. Also in the end, I will change the basic shape and make some interesting and strange designs. Let's start from the first one. Our model will complete in some simple steps. So first I am going to make a cone having the base width equal to its height. Then I am going to change the view and slice it half using the slice command. I am going to rotate half side to 120 degree and I am going to reattach both halves with each other and combine them using union command. The 3D model of simplest Sphericon is ready. This model has a single line with a single surface. Next I am going to make a Bicone Sphericon. This time I am going to make a corner filleted quadrilateral shape. Then I am going to make it a half symmetrical shape and closed boundary. Then revolve it in 360 degree around the axis. Then I am going to change the view and slice it from the half. This time rotation of a half side will be 90 degree. After that I am going to reunite both halves using union command and our 3D model of Bicone is ready. This shape has two lines with a single surface. It was invented by a carpenter named Colin Robert by carving a wood piece. Our next model is called a Pentasphericon. I am going to make it using the same design principles, but this time using a pentagon. I'm going to make a Pentasphericon with the rotation angle of 72 degrees. Next model is Hexasphericon. The same process goes with the hexagon. Now it's time to make a special Sphericon model. I am going to make a regular hexagon and then change its vertices to custom design. Then I am going to repeat the same process which I used in the previous one, and you see a very unique and interesting Sphericon shape is made. The possible arrangements of Sphericon seems endless, but you can make your own custom designs and unique Sphericons using heptagonal and octagonal shapes and so on. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up button and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.